Needless to say, I'm probably the most excited for this video that I've ever been. This has been a dream of mine, honestly, y'all, since I was a little girl. I have loved to cook for my friends and family ever since I can remember, and just having a cookbook to share with all of my friends and family has truly been a lifelong dream. So a lot of you guessed it. If you haven't guessed it by now, I'm sure that just gave it away, as well as the title of this video. But yes, my big announcement is I made my very first cookbook. So here it is. Let me show y'all the cover. Of course, it's called Repeat Worthy Dinners. We've been doing those videos here on the channel for a few months now, and I really wanted this cookbook to just hold all those recipes that you keep coming back to, the recipes that stay on your dinner rotation. And I wanted this cookbook to kind of serve as a tool to when you're in that dinner rut, when you just need something you know is gonna be good, you can go right to this cookbook, pull it out, and you have so many dinner ideas right at your fingertips. But this cookbook has way more than dinner ideas in here. There are also appetizers, side dishes, and a holiday section in here. One of the most important things was that this came out around the holiday season this year, because it's going to be perfect for that. This cookbook also has all of the cozy recipes y'all are used to be making here on my channel. The easy, cozy, not a whole lot of ingredients, anyone can make type of recipes. So there are over 70 recipes in here, and over half of them are all brand new. That's another thing that was really important to me. I didn't just want to put a whole bunch of recipes in here that y'all have seen like a million times. So I've been working really hard to come up with some more delicious Jen style recipes. They're all in here. I'm so excited about it. Let me show y'all the cover. I love it. It's Southern, it's classic. On the bottom, it says Southern inspired recipes your family will love again and again. And that is truly what Repeat Worthy Dinners is all about. Let me give y'all another little glimpse at the back cover. There might be some things you recognize on here and some you may not. There's that picture again, and the back kind of little section on there. Y'all, I am so thrilled about this. I can't even explain to you how excited I am. I'm trying to remember if I've told y'all all the important stuff. If you have any questions at all, please leave them down in the comments. I may even do a Q&A style video all about the cookbook with your questions if you have them. But yes, I'm gonna have that link. You can go click on it. It is available for pre-sale today, and these cookbooks will start shipping out in a couple weeks. So right there in time for the holidays. I'm hoping they'll get there right before Thanksgiving, but definitely before Christmas. Definitely still have all the time to make all the cozy meals. Everything you could want is in here, and I could not be more proud and more happy to share my big news with you. And of course, I couldn't upload this video without saying a huge, huge, huge thank you to all of y'all, to all of my friends here on YouTube. Seriously, if y'all didn't come here every week to see what in the world I'm making and what I'm doing, this would not be possible. There are so many of y'all who have been with me for 6 years now. And then of course, all of my new people that just came recently. I appreciate y'all so much. It has truly been a surreal experience here on YouTube, and even more now, getting to share my first cookbook with y'all. All right, y'all, I'm gonna have that link right down in the description box for you. Let me know if you're gonna pick one up, and I will see y'all in the next video. Bye, y'all.